Step out of the world which stores your history.
Don't get scared of anything.
कुछ लोग तुम्हें समझाएंगे, वो तुमको खौफ दिलाएंगे.
I feel barriers are all in the mind.
Believe in yourself, believe in your strength.
Lloyd has empowered me by turning challenges into opportunities and proving that leadership knows no gender.
Traditionally, leadership roles have been male dominated, but at Lloyd, I found an environment and that kind of encouragement, women to set up and take charges.
Lloyd has empowered its employees always, especially women, by building their vision, by making them believe that yes, you have the strength to challenge the limitation.
At Lloyd, we are empowered to shatter the glass ceiling and assume leadership roles which were earlier unapproachable.
As a woman, I feel empowered and special every day when I come to Lloyd. It has given me space, flexibility, and many memorable moments since the time I have joined Lloyd.
Lloyd has empowered me a lot. I'm really grateful to our respected Group Director, Ma'am, Professor Vandana Arora Sethi. She has instilled me that confidence and belief so that I can work with a lot of commitment and dedication for the betterment of my department.
I feel barriers are all in the mind. Once a woman realizes what the barriers are, I think there is nothing that she cannot accomplish. She is an epitome of everything she desires and wishes.
When I saw the students whom I had mentored rise on the highest places in their career, that's when I knew that I was at the right place and that I had taken the right decision. As in the words of Michelle Obama, who said, "It is not about the money that you make, but it is about the lives in which you bring about a difference."
Lloyd provides a supportive work environment that not only offers immense career growth opportunities, but also allows we faculty members a very healthy work-life balance.
So the reward and value for me as a teacher and HOD when I see my students' success and growth in their life.
I have this secret happiness that creeps in when people tell that they get intimidated by my presence. So to my young girls, dream boldly, live fully, and do not shrink yourself to fit into this society.
कुछ लोग तुम्हें समझाएंगे, वो तुम्हें खौफ दिलाएंगे. जो है वो भी खो सकता है. राह में रहज़न है इतने, कुछ और यहाँ हो सकता है. कुछ और तो अक्सर होता है, पर तुम जिस लम्हे में जिंदा हो, ये लम्हा तुमसे जिंदा है.
Young generation today have so many avenues and opportunities that the only thing that they will stop them from is the fear. So just let go of your fears and embrace the change completely and fully.
My happy place in Lloyd is CTLD. The reason being because people make it positive, and here I find people positive with smiling faces.
Something that I like most about Lloyd's is my workstation, where I love to work. Every day I come with full of energy because it is so positive that I every day enjoy sitting there. Every moment I enjoy.
My happy place at Lloyd is my work desk, wherein I have good colleagues, and it is a wonderful experience to work and learn with them.
So I love connecting with people, networking, because everybody has a unique conversation and everybody has a unique story to tell.
I love everything about my job, but if you ask me one thing, that would be training my students and bridging this gap of campus to the corporate and make them place in their dream organization.
So the thing that I love most about my job is to get the opportunity to make a positive impact on students' lives and to see them grow over time.
What I love most about my job, I would say definitely my colleagues, because the rapport is kind of unbelievable, and that is what I love best about Lloyd's.